message has been transmitted at the request of the Florida State Police Department. At 1:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, reports of temperatures around -35 to -45 F, and wind chills around -50 to -60. F has been reported to be, for some reason, freezing windows of houses to the point of them breaking, leading the wind, which is approximately 40 miles per hour, to break into people's houses. Also, civilians outside homes have been reported to be, in fact, freezing, which is both understandable and confusing at the same time, and as a result, they have experienced hypothermia and frostbite. Hospitals have received multiple calls of people lying on the ground frozen, and some are being filled to maximum capacity. All civilians at this time should turn on heat to around 85 to 90. This should get you at least warm. If ineffective, turn it up a notch to 93 or 95. Have a first aid kit around you if you or loved ones encounter hypothermia. Have hot water with you as well, just in case you are cold or have minor frostbite. Stay inside and stay safe.